International Day of the Girl Child is an international observance day declared by the United Nations. It is also called the Day of Girls. October 11, 2012 was the first day of the girl child. The observation supports more opportunity for girls and increases awareness of gender inequality faced by girls worldwide based on their gender.
Don't kill girl in war, while she might bring prosperity to our country.
Men and women are equally responsible for the survival of human race on earth. They are also liable for the development and growth of nations. However, the existence of women is far more important than men, because without them, we cannot think of our existence.
There is various evils in our society, one of which happens to be the desire to have a boy. There are other social evils in the society that forces many parents to avoid having a girl child. These other social evils are child deaths, female feticide, and some other.
A girl child can do what a boy child can do as long as she is given a chance.
It is very clear that a girl child always becomes blessing for the society and reason for the continuation of life in this world. We worship many female goddesses at various festivals. However, never feel a little bit of kindness towards the woman living in our home. Truly, girls are the pillars of the society. A small girl child can be a good daughter, a sister, a wife, a mother, and other good relations in future. If we kill them before taking birth or do not take care after taking birth, then how will we get a daughter, sister, wife, or mother?
Nowadays, women are working outside in the fields with men by meeting shoulder to shoulder together with their all responsibilities at home. This is a big shame to us that still girls are victims of many violences, even they have changed themselves to survive in this modern world. We should actively participate in the campaign to save girl child by removing the male dominating nature of the society.
Though girls are ahead of boys in many ways, but still people prefer a boy child. Girls are more obedient, hardworking, and responsible for their family. Let us see some of such girls who have shown their efforts and reached to a high position in the society.
Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an Indo-American astronaut, engineer, and the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in the year 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. In 2003, Chawla was one of the 7 crew members who died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster when the spacecraft disintegrated its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere.
Is an Indian mountain climber and a sportsman. She is 7-time Indian volleyball player, mountaineer, and the world's first female employee to reach Mount Everest, Mount Kilimanjaro, and Mount Elbrus, Mount Kosciuszko and Mount Aconcagua, Carstensz Pyramid, and Mount Vinson. Was pushed from a running train by some robbers in 2011 while she was resisting it. As a result, her left leg was amputated and multiple fractures in the spinal cord.
Captain Shikha Surabhi. Captain Shikha Surabhi is the first woman to lead a formation of 36 men and 9 Royal Enfields of the Indian Army's motorcycle display team on Republic Day. She did a bike trip from Shimla to Ladakh over 8 days last year. It brought strength to my arms and taught me how to handle rain, mud, and difficult situations, says the officer from the Corps of Signal, who was encouraged by her commanding officer to be part of the Daredevils team.
Mary Kom, born 1 March 1983, is an Indian amateur boxer and incumbent member of Parliament Rajya Sabha. She is the only female to become World Amateur Boxing Champion for a record 6 times, the only female boxer to have won a medal in each one of the first 7 World Championships, and the only boxer to win 8 World Championship medals. She became the first Indian female boxer to win a gold medal in the Asian Games in 2014 at South Korea.